everybody, this is an unboxing video for the Ego Hedge trimmer. I'm going to show you what's included in the box, but also like a brief test at the end, just so you guys can more or less hear what it sounds like and also see what it's capable of cutting. Also in the box you can see that it includes a battery, the charger, and also the unit itself. But for the most part, just kind of hang out, check it out, and we'll take it from there. As you can see, I have a GoPro at the end of the hedge trimmer, but unfortunately the SD card didn't work, so I couldn't actually use that footage. But I did manage to just record it overall and still preserve the footage here. So we'll kind of take a look and see what this device is capable of. So you're probably wondering why there's a hanging branch in the middle of everything else that I just cut down. This is just to show you a closer look as to how the device is cutting. The hedge trimmer, it says on the box, it's about 1 inch in thickness that it can cut. This branch is about maybe 3/4 to 1 inch. That's not precise measurement, that's just eyeball. But this is a close-up just to show what that looks like. But other than that, it didn't give me any problems, any issues. The battery lasted me actually the whole time I was cutting. So I don't think it's a bad device. For me, it seemed to work fairly well. So yeah, just check it out.